Hey guys, Wave of Life here with another of our awesome cooking videos for you. Today is a rainy day where nature enjoys most of its time and regains its greenery. So today we also decided to enjoy further foods. And as it is a rainy day, you know what that means? Our national foods during the rain, the beef khichuri. One of my favorite items of all. Okay, without further ado, let's start the recipe. But before we begin, I want you all to pause the video, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.
했어. 명, 나. 킵다.
আগে যেরকম করতেছিল নরমালি। So guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video just as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe and follow to the Wave of Life to never miss out on our videos. Till then, I hope you keep enjoying the waves of life. Bye bye.